There is a risk that we could still have a rate hike later this year.
Thank you. Finally, someone came out and said it. I've been trying to get to this. Yes, I mean, it makes sense.
I think actually it's quite simple. We have a strong economy, and I add policies on top of that that potentially could give at least a modest lift to inflation, namely tariffs, restrictions on immigration, and maybe even also lower taxes on domestic manufacturers. All those things, at least a modest lift in inflation, some lift also in GDP, that would argue for the Fed still being in play in terms of potentially having to raise interest rates later this year.